Alright, here's the deal. I think it's that guy. Not sure who. But someone complained. So I finally got this thing back on the ground. New headlights are installed. Well, taillights rather. They came with that thin plastic film over the top, and they got stuck. I got the hiccups, I'm sorry. They got that little film that they put on for protective. Apparently it was really old, new old stock or something. But super annoying, and they're sending me a new one. I just gotta send the other one back, but sorry about the hiccups. God. Basically, got the whole rear part set up for fuel. Now my eyes contacts are killing me. But there's my new fuel system set up. The vent's hooked up. The return line is hooked up. That's a feed line right here. Or that's the feed line. There's the return. I'm going to use a stock return. Hopefully that'll work. If not, then I'll have to figure something else out. That's the AN fitting connected to the bulkhead. Oh, my eyes are burning. Stupid. Come on. My eyes. There we go. So we gotta run over to the other side of the car to do this. Stupid. Oh, I'm filming on a DJI Osmo 3 Action. Just trying to do a little better job filming, do some time lapses and all that good stuff. But basically, here's going to be the temporary fuel feed. That's the 1/2 inch. On these old TPI motors, there's the old fuel line that I cut off. Right under here, I think, is the feed. And I've got a banjo fitting coming that should put it out right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this off because this is extra long. Cut this off here, flare it real quick, and then just run some high pressure fuel line there. And then hopefully I'll have a fuel system for this thing. But yeah, I've got the clutch kit ready to go in. I was missing the flywheel, or excuse me, the the pressure plate bolts. God, look at my eyes. They're like freaking out. Anywho, the plan for this morning before I go, and I got an event I'm playing some guitar at. But the plan for today is to get this transmission sealed up. The Doug Nash unit's good. I'm going to install a new speed sensor. I'm going to go through and reseal the transmission. And we're going to do it right here on the lawn so I can get some warmth. It's not perfectly flat, but it'll work. God, my eyes. But I'm going to experiment with some time lapse and all that stuff and just see how this goes. What is that thing doing? Oh, that's the Schrader valve for that thing. Okay. Anywho, I'm going to get my eyes taken care of here. And then you can join me on the rest. Goodness. Forgot to mention. There we go. I'll get you set up over there later. It's just while I'm setting this up. I did get the, can't see me at all. That's helpful. Got regular glasses in, so that's helpful. I did get new pressure plate bolts. That's what I needed. So I've got everything to get the transmission installed. I just gotta make sure that the tranny's good to go. So that's what I'm working on right now before I have an event I have to go to. But that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. Get a chair and some other stuff set up. You can see it's not terribly heavy. But yeah, I'm gonna have to pull this off, reseal that, and then reseal this. And then my major concern is I had some extra ball bearings and stuff, so I'm going to consult the shop manual so that I can get these put in correctly. So hopefully I don't have to take it out again. Of course, you know how that goes. Alright, so here's where we're at. I got a new gasket on that right there. Probably can't tell at all. I used the wrong ball bearing as a check ball inside the Doug Nash unit, so you probably saw me pull some of that away. I'm still learning this camera, so there's that. This is sealed up. Side cover is correct. It should shift through the gears. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this apart. Replace the gasket here, and then this is, I think, a separate unit. The fluid, it should be good there. I don't know, we'll see. And then I'm going to replace the drive unit there. So yeah.